Hi friends! Welcome to our surprise egg adventure. Let's learn colors and numbers together. Egg number 1 is red. Let's open it. Wow, it's a red car. Vroom, vroom. Egg number 2 is orange. Let's see. It's an orange fish. Bloop, bloop. Egg number 3 is yellow. Look, it's a yellow duck. Quack, quack. Egg number 4 is green. It's a green dinosaur. Roar. Egg number 5 is blue. A blue train popped out. Choo-choo. Egg number 6 is purple. Wow, a purple butterfly with sparkly wings. Egg number 7 is pink. Aw, it's a pink piglet. Oink, oink. Egg number 8 is brown. Look, a fluffy brown teddy bear. Egg number 9 is black. It's a panda, black and white. Egg number 10 is white. Yay! A cuddly white polar bear. Great job! All our surprise toys are here. Let's count the eggs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red! Red like our fast red car. Orange! Orange like our wiggly orange fish. Yellow! Yellow like the squeaky duck. Green! Green like the roaring dinosaur. Blue! Blue like our chugging toy train. Purple! Purple like the flying butterfly. Pink! Pink like the giggling piglet. Brown! Brown like the soft teddy bear. Black and white, just like our cute panda. White! White like our chilly polar bear. You did amazing! Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye!